Pernambuco, located in northeastern Brazil, is a charming state known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural landscapes. The capital of Pernambuco is the city of Recife. One of Pernambuco's main attractions is its stunning beaches. From Porto de Galinhas to Carneirós Beach, visitors can enjoy crystal clear water, golden sand, and picturesque coastal scenery. These beaches offer a variety of activities such as swimming, snorkeling, and beach vacations. In addition to the stunning coastline, Pernambuco boasts a diverse landscape that includes dense forests and rolling hills. The inland region offers opportunities for ecotourism and hiking in places such as the Chapada Diamantina National Park. Pernambuco's tourism industry is steadily growing due to its cultural heritage. Olinda, a UNESCO World Heritage Site near Recife, showcases well-preserved 16th-century colonial architecture. Its colorful streets come alive during Carnival with vibrant parades and music. For those interested in history and art, Pernambuco is home to numerous museums that showcase an impressive collection of European art. Whether you're looking for a vacation on the cleanest beaches or an immersion in cultural heritage, Pernambuco promises an unforgettable trip. Pernambuco is a unique combination of natural beauty, cultural richness, and historical significance, making it an attractive destination for travelers looking for an unforgettable experience in Brazil.